Hi, I'm Sean Nelson, inventor of Sactionals, and I'm going to show you how to utilize deep back pillows. In any Sactionals configuration like this one, where you have Sactional seats arranged in the deep format, you'll want to utilize a deep back pillow for a perfect fit. A deep back pillow is actually 6 inches shorter than a standard back pillow like this one. You'll notice the deep back pillow is meant to fit in a deep configuration in this spot. However, even standard back pillows like this one can be utilized in a deep configuration. You just kind of squish them in. They look great, they look comfy, they look squishy, and if that's good with you, it's good with us. However, if you want deep back pillows for that perfect Sactionals fit and no squish, they can be ordered a la carte at lovesac.com, or they come included with any deep Sactional seat.